Factory production of cooking oil. The batch process. Raw materials unloading inside the factory. The heating process. Next, we condition the beans with heat and steam. They are pressed into thin flakes to maximize oil yield. These flakes are now ready for the extraction process. Crude oil is collected in massive tanks before refining. We use heat to safely remove any processing aids. This raw crude oil contains all the natural goodness of the bean.
Degumming is the process where crude oil is mixed with water in a centrifuge to remove the natural lecithins.
Thousands of empty bottles arrive at the filling line. Each bottle is air-rinsed to ensure it is perfectly clean. Product ready for consumption.